How to build your own table tennis robot. This could be the cheapest table tennis device that you can find, only about $5. This is the DIY do-it-yourself video to fabricate the simplest but efficient device for a table tennis robot. How to use this robot. Expensive robots. Many players started training at home. Some table tennis clubs are still closed. The general table tennis robot is rather expensive, about $1,000. The cheapest device that I can find is already €150. Hello, I am EmRatThich. Today I will show you how to fabricate a simple device to train table tennis at home. It will cost you less than $5. How to make your own table tennis device. It is very simple. You can play table tennis alone and everywhere. What you need is a PVC plastic tube. The length is about 40 cm. The diameter is the same size as the table tennis ball, 40 to 41 mm, and a metallic support to hold the tube with a height of 70 cm. This device is very simple to make, and it can help you to improve your table tennis skills, reaction ability, and hand coordination. It is suitable for children, middle age, old age, for everybody. Ball holder. Another device that you can use to play table tennis at home is the ball holder. But you can't learn the timing with the ball holder. It is better to use this cheap robot. If I can't make it myself, it is very simple, but if you can't make it yourself, so don't worry, you can buy it easily at $5 or $6. The link is on my blog, PingSunday.com. Hope you enjoy this DIY video. If you like my tutorial, you can support me at Patreon EmRatThich.
I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Yeah. I'm very, very sorry for your loss. I'm the boss. For match point, Mo Wong still on top of the world 3 years is unstoppable.